When Omoyele Sowore talk am say Regina Daniels' phone was being tracked by her estranged husband Ned Nwoko, and so many things wey Ned Nwoko install for Regina phone just to get her datas, her conversation, video record and everything wey she dey do, a monitor to monitor her closely. So many people felt Sowore just wan talk about Ned Nwoko, most especially Ned Nwoko fans dem. They dey talk say wetin Ned Nwoko do na the right thing. Make we tell Regina make she go rehab. Make we tell Regina make she return back to her husband house. Say outside no be wetin dem think say e be, this, that. Whereas na now people don dey confirm am say Ned Nwoko actually was tracking Regina's conversation and her phone, because this evidence wey im gather take go for Peter of P-Square, omo, e huge. Na Regina say she no do again. Na people wey come dey around Regina, na dem come dey collect woto. As we speak right now, my beautiful and amazing people, Peter of P-Square don dey explain wetin e no know. A married man for that matter explain sotey e don dey explain tire on top of wetin Regina Daniel matter, because of who? Ned Nwoko. My beautiful and amazing people, wonders e no fit ever end o. Make una draw una chair come closer with a bottle of chill wine. Make una dey sip am as I carry una enter the story as e dey hot. Before I go cap una wetin dey sup, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so I dey go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small matter or no be small drama. Between Ned Nwoko and Peter of P-Square. Remember when Regina too come out come talk say anytime when Ned Nwoko get issue with any of him wives dem, he go wan make sure say he scatter them for people face, people wey even wan help them. He go scatter them for where dem dey, so that they no go get help, so that at the end of the day they go return back. No be lie na Regina lie o, because at this point people that are close to Regina, wey im know fully well say they are ready to go extra mile for Regina. They are ready to give her money support her support her career support everything wey she wan really do with her life. So im dey go for them one after the other. After im bin come out come drag Phyna of BBNaija, drag Uche Montana, drag everybody wey im know say e fit drag, put for the druggy matter. But because of say im see say Peter of P-Square na person wey be say e get doings, e get im money, no how wey Peter no go fit defend himself. So as such, e no gree come drag am for social media. E use im corrupt police officer, according to Sowore, use am go dey find Peter of P-Square. Now guess what? The allegation and the video evidence and voice recordings wey im gather say e wan take bring P-Square down was that, una remember say when Regina Daniel did birthday, Peter of P-Square and Don Jazzy, Young Babaje, dem bin wish her happy birthday. After wishing her happy birthday, Regina Daniel come post am for her official handle. Now, a day before that day when Regina Daniel do birthday, Peter of P-Square bin call her. Now Ned Nwoko carry voice recordings come out say where Peter of P-Square call Regina Daniel, come dey tell her say he really wan see her. They need to discuss something very important and urgent. Regina Daniel come say as she speak right now, say she dey prepare for her birthday. Say but after the birthday, they go sit down on a round table, make dem discuss. Na him Peter of P-Square say no problem. He cut the call. Now, before now, there be also the chat. He dey check up on Regina based on say Regina na public figure. She's an actress even before she know Ned Nwoko. You don't expect say because she marry, she no go come dey do live her lifestyle. She go come live everybody, live her celebrity lifestyle. As it stands, Regina, everybody want to even mingle with her. They want to even associate with her. They want to do business with Regina. Now Regina dey run. Because if dem follow people wey be say they dey wait to do business with her, no be here own, dem plenty like water dey waste. But Regina dey pick people wey she go still work with. So wetin dey bad in Peter or P-Square calling Regina say e get private talk to talk with her, say e dey very very important. And besides, as Regina come tell am say she dey prepare for her birthday, which is tomorrow, wey make Peter come know talk say her birthday sef don reach, wey make her do that birthday wish shout out to her. Also Don Jazzy do to her too.
Oje, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oje, happy birthday to our super talented sister Regina Daniels. Happy birthday, Regina. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to grant you all your heart desires. Continue to grow in good health. Continue to grow in wealth. Continue to grow in grace. Continue to grow in abundance. Everything that you wish yourself, God will continue to give you. God will continue to give you. In Jesus' name, amen. Oshe, happy birthday, have fun, and God bless you. One.
Hey Regina Daniels, I want to wish you happy birthday, okay? You've been an amazing individual. So continue being you, enjoy yourself, because it's your day. Much love. Happy birthday to you!
Na see am coming from people that genuinely love Regina Daniel. And no be ordinary people. This one are people wey matters. Our top celebrities na dem be this one so. If you call Peter or P-Square, that one na legend. If you call Don Jazzy, na also legend. So tell me, na all those ones na im dey pain Ned Nwoko. Now e come carry the conversation wey Regina Daniel get with Peter or P-Square, or the chat wey dem don dey chat, alongside the voice recordings wey Peter take call Regina Daniel and their discussion. Now, according to Ned Nwoko, e say Peter or P-Square dey part of the people wey dey mislead Regina Daniel. But e no talk say Peter or P-Square dey give her druggy o. E say e dey mislead her. Maybe he has intention of knacking im wife. You dey hear talk? How e take dey mislead Regina Daniel? This same Regina na im open her mouth talk am say at least even if she be everything wey Ned Nwoko don call her, he can never in his life come out to hit im chest say Regina dey knack another man. So how im come take mislead Regina Daniel? Na that one na I never know. And also, the Ned Nwoko, he never for one day come out come talk say Regina Daniel dey knack another man, which automatically mean say all the allegation wey im dey knack for on top of Regina Daniel head, all na lie. All na lie. Even the druggy, na you introduce her to am. Na you say e dey whine your fantasy. So tell me, where is the truth? Now they don call Peter or P-Square, come carry the evidences, knack am for im head, say e dey mislead Regina Daniel. Say whether im get plans of dating Regina Daniel. I am now like, if no be say we no dey for country wey get law, Peter or P-Square sef no even suppose answer this kind invitation by the police. He's not even supposed to answer this invitation, because wetin dey pain Ned Nwoko now na when im see say after e don come out come talk say Regina Daniel dey into druggy, she dey this, she dey that, she take 5 different one, she dey take Coca-Cola, she dey take this, she dey take that, she dey take Opomele, she dey take Igbo, dey take this, dey take that. Im still see say Peter or P-Square still call Regina, they still do that their transaction, that their business meeting, they still do am. They had fun, they live their best moment, they enjoy the whole night, enjoy their self. Regina come still post am. All the whole media space post am. Everywhere burst. Na that one na im come dey pain Ned Nwoko wey come make am come dey go after Peter of P-Square. After he don go for Uche Montana, he don go for Phyna. Now Peter of P-Square. Make it make sense, Ipa. What do you really want from Regina Daniel? Wey make people dey talk am say na the best thing for Regina to do now na to just leave Nigeria true, the way she take leave am for am. Because nothing wey Ipa no go do to take bring Regina Daniel down. Nothing wey e no go do to take drag her, give her hypertension by fire by force. Give her the pre by all means. But at least as she dey there now, she go dey calm down her head pending when she will return. If she wan come stay establish for there, fine and good. Anyone wey she wan do with her life, but make she sha comot for this one wey Ned Nwoko wan put her inside. Now, according to Peter of P-Square, after he was being summoned by police, he say he only call Regina Daniel to transact business with her. And when they finally concluded, because it was after the birthday that this incident happened, so he still could not get in touch with Regina Daniel. He no get time to, Regina no even kukuma get time. She dey follow the matter bomber to bomber as e don scatter for social media, couple with the arrest wey they come arrest her brother. So they no get time. Now when Regina come get time, come say, oya make dem see, was when she came out with her mom, her sisters, and everybody. Everybody was there. He never saw Regina in a private place. And besides, he is a married man. And that they can call his wife to attest that he no be that kind person. Even if he wan knack, he go knack young person. No be married woman. So he only called Regina for a business talk. And Regina now says she does not have time, that after her birthday, they will talk. The approach to their conversation did not go straight to the point, because after he said he wanted to discuss something very urgent and important with her, she now said that she's preparing for her birthday. So he cannot, since she said she's preparing for her birthday, he cannot come and start telling her what he wanted to tell her over the phone. That's why he wanted them to sit down one-on-one and discuss, which they later did after this whole scenario, after the release of her brother. He can't even show them, the police, he showed them the video of where him and Regina, the mama and all, they went for that party, which circulates the media space. And again, he said all those chats when Ned Nwoko come carry come out. He said those chats is just for him, that Regina is like his junior sister, and that he likes Regina. He likes her effort, how she come through for people, how she's been living her life, how she no make her look like I'm married to a senator's wife, so I can misbehave, I can do anyhow, and that he likes her naturally. So he's always checking up on her, and that he didn't see anything wrong with checking up on his sister. Say na Ned Nwoko won't come carry am personal, won't carry the matter for head, like say another thing they involve. Now they tell am say him go still dey come police station until when they do their investigation finish, until Ned Nwoko check all this thing. If he find any other this thing again, that they will still be calling him to come. I'm like, hey, the last person where you no go ever pray to get issue with is somebody wey be say they forget something. Person wey be say e dey even wait make una scatter, make e expose you. Person wey be say e dey look for slightest opportunity to take bring you down. You see those kind of people, no ever pray to even cross path with them, because they can do and overdo. Na be this one so. Ned Nwoko, which way? Wetin Regina don do you to deserve all these things? Wetin she don do you? And why are you going after people that are close to her? Wetin you wan use P-Square do now? Why you wan ridicule am? Why you wan make am regret ever coming to Regina's life? Why are you making him regret ever giving her shoulder to cry on? Why? It is uncalled for. It is so painful that this thing is coming from your end. Leave people wey wan help her, make dem help her. People wey no wan help, make dem enter house. And you say you no want again. Practically you said it. After she too, she say she no want. You too, you open mouth say you no want. I wonder wetin come be the problem wey you dey find people around her to arrest. Wetin join you join arrest? And I believe say na because Peter Obi Square no be anyhow person. And him know say dat one get money, e hold ground. Na im make you see say e dey do on a low. E carry im corrupt police officers allegedly according to Sowore. E carry dem dey find Peter Obi Square because e know say dat one no go want anything wey go dent im image. Because im don tell am now say make dem even ask im wife. Im no be dat kind of person. Even if im wan knack, e go knack young girls, no be person wife. Say and im no fit ever mislead Regina because Regina is like his sister. He can never mislead somebody that is like a sister to him. Somebody he loves, he cannot mislead. No be like Ned Nwoko wey say he love Regina. He dey see her, dey take wetin go later destroy her. He say he dey use am dey kpai im fantasy. Say make she continue to dey take am. And when he don become wetin he become, na you come dey come out, dey come dey expose her. You don finally meet your match o. You don match your last bus stop because this will definitely be your end. If you say you no go leave Regina Daniel alone, e go long o. The journey go long. Like seriously, now they say Peter Obi Square go dey go, dey come, dey go, dey come. Up and down. See, they go still do more check-ins. If there is anything, if they later found out anything, that they will prosecute him, they will arrest him, they will detain him for that. But for now, this particular one now, where they find out where him talk say he wan see Regina, as him don clear himself, they no still believe 100%, but that they will still do findings. If no be say Ned Nwoko dey suspicious, him ma, he get backyard something for hand. Why you go dey with woman, come dey track her phone, dey track her conversation, dey track her calls, dey track everything about her when she's not a child, a woman that you got married to? Even to trust her na problem. If no be say comma dey inside this man matter and say im hand get as e be, e no clear. Now Peter Obi Square na im come go chook im hand for inside wetin e chook am now. After they don detain am for some time o, after they put am for counter o, before they come start dey lis ten to wetin im get to talk. It is so painful. This is bad. Maybe this man never ever go police station for any for case like this before. Una don carry am go police station for because of Regina Daniel matter, because of Ned Nwoko drama. It is not good o. It is not fair. Ned Nwoko, remember say you too you get children o. If they dey do them this kind thing wey dey do Regina, so how you go feel? Will you be happy? Just the one wey Regina Daniel brother talk, which is say im pikin kpai for outside country as a result of druggy. That one, you see the way e pain you. Imagine say they come dey treat your children the way e dey treat Regina now. How you go feel? This man is just so mean, like seriously. Allow Peter Obi Square breathe. Allow him to rest. And stop using the Nigerian police force to torment people that are genuinely in love with Regina Daniel and want to help her. If you say you no do again, other people go do now. Abi my people, wetin una think? Make una come make we interact via the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.